Hey there, you doers. I just got my new glasses online for my online order. First of all, I buy them from Zenni Optical. I found a pair of glasses that I really liked, a frame that I really liked, very conservative. These are them, and whenever I reorder, I generally buy these ones. But I love these frames. They're very conservative. I think they're bottomless. You know, they're half-rimmed glasses, and they fit well on my face. At least I think they do, so I just buy these ones in general when I need to replace them. The only thing that changes mainly is the prescription. So just from a customer service standpoint, I've never had an issue with them. In fact, this time I actually, because I had multiple prescriptions and they're for an older prescription, which I didn't label properly, which was an incorrect prescription, I actually ordered the glasses I'll show you first with the wrong prescription, and I was like, what is wrong with these? And then I was talking to the person. I called up, I said, hey, these don't work very well, and the person actually said, okay, is the prescription right? And I looked into it and I realized, oh, that was my mistake. You know, I thought it was they weren't made properly or something, because I thought I'd used the same prescription as these, and I had not. But they were very courteous, and they refunded, put a store credit on my account. I reordered and went very smoothly. So let's go to like glasses. Again, I get progressive glasses, and so when you get glasses, you got to say whether progressive or single vision or whatever you might have. In my case, I get progressive lens glasses or lenses, and when you pick your glass out, one, you have to choose your frame. And now frames come in different sizes. So the frames have different sizes in terms of width of the whole frame, the width of each of the lenses, the bridge length, the length of the arm, and all that, and so generally I look for frames that are similar in size to the ones I already have. So once you have a baseline, it's relatively simpler to order or try different frames as well. One thing you have to know is your PD distance, with your pupillary distance, as well as your prescription, and that's the distance between your pupils. And when you put that in, you'll note that sometimes you can put in 2, and sometimes the distance between your left, it's my left side, and the right distance are different, and sometimes it's just even where you put just 1 in. But in some cases, your optometrist may give you 2 pupillary distance because they're not even. So before I open these, just when you buy your glasses, one thing you're going to do is, of course, you're going to select your frames, and Zenni has a virtual try-on where you actually look into your camera on your computer, and it grabs an image of your face. I think it sizes it up somehow, and then it places the glass on you, so you can generally see how it looks. It's to give you an idea how well they fit. And you can also read people's reviews. So progressive lenses, lenses in general, they come in different types in terms of different materials they use, different, I forgot what they call it. Mine's 1.53, but you'll see it. They'll recommend a lens based on your prescription type that best fits your need, and I generally go with that. And I like to go with an impact resistant lens, not just your standard lens. And the reason for that is, I think at one point I dropped my glasses, and my glasses cracked at the bottom. You know, once you have glasses you like, you really don't want to damage them. The other thing is, you can get on your lenses different types of protection, right? You can get the standard lens. I think most lenses have some sort of UV protection, but check on that. They have blue light lenses that block the blue light, I guess, from computers and your phone. And then there's something called ID guard that Zenni has that keeps the infrared. It makes it difficult for infrared to pass through your glasses. It puts a sheen on there, like a pink reddish sheen, I think, pink sheen, and I guess it protects you from, like, these these facial recognition softwares or something like that. But I didn't get that. I used to get sometimes the blue light, they call it blocks, I think that's a trade name, but I didn't get that on this order. And then I always get anti-reflective lens coating. They have a basic coating. Sometimes it's free, depending, I think, on what what your lenses are or something like that. There's just so many permutation combinations, but I think if you have to pay for them, that's $4.95. I paid $8.95 because the $8.95 version is more water resistant apparently and more easy to clean, so I just went with that. So I ended up getting, just for your own, I got the 1.53 impact resistant Trivex lens. So do what you think is right. And as you buy more and more glasses, you start figuring this out, just like I did with impact resistant. So let's go and open it up. So I just got this today in the mail, and I'm going to open it up for you. So I had to return these because I used the wrong prescription. So I generally know what they look like. As you can see, the case is very fat, and the reason why I'll show you why. Because unlike normal glasses or most glasses like this, which the frames bend over, the ones I chose to get this time are a little different, right? And so I went with a frameless frame, not even a half frame. Went with a frameless pair of glasses, and so they all come in these nice cases. I really like these plastic cases. I have like a bunch of them now, and they wrap them really well. Now, as you can see, they really attention to detail. They wrap one of the arms, I think, to keep from scratching each other, and they wrap it in this nice cleaning cloth, which you get. Actually, they sent me 2 cleaning cloths. Very nice. What is this? It's a horse. So these are really nice cleaning cloths. Okay, so these are the glasses I got right here. I think they look really great. So what's different about these is they don't have hinges. Okay, so when I put them in, I have to bend this like this, and that's okay with me because when I usually have these on most of the time. When I take them off, they're either on top of my head or they're laying on the table like this. But this is what I decided to go with. They're very flexible here. They may seem to have the opportunity to be more fragile because there's no frame on them. A little dust on there, right there. But I think these look really sharp. The more I see people on TV, the more I see them wearing these. And so let's see what they look like. Here we go. Okay, there you go right there. That's what I look like with them on. I'll get my other glasses here. Now I can't find my other glasses. Okay, there they are. Okay, so that's what these ones look like. And here's my old ones. These are a little dirty. But these are my old ones, which I like as well. And I usually wear these ones. And here are my new glasses that I got from Zenni. So how much did I love these, by the way. Prescription's really good. Because I put progressives, I see different ranges. Like down here is close up. So when I look far under here, it's blurry. In the middle is mid-range, and this is far range. So this is a pretty good prescription here. And again, the lenses I got, they have different, like how much vision space there is for each. And so again, you get a standard lens. I guess the lens space for each area may be different. So this is really good. So I can read using these glasses without any discomfort. So I'm really happy with them. They redid them for me because they gave them the wrong prescription. And so let's talk about cost. These were $45.95 for the frames alone, right? So if you look at the frames, for the frames alone, they were $45.95. For the lenses, they were $75.95. Now, progressive lenses are pretty expensive in comparison to single vision lenses. Zenni's progressive lenses online prices are very reasonable. I haven't bought them recently from a brick and mortar place, so I can't really compare. But you know what? I'm happy with that price. I'm fine with it. And then again, I paid $8.95 for the anti-reflective water-resistant coating. Again, you can get it for like $4.95 for the basic. And so the total came out to be about $130.85, right? And then shipping was free because above a certain price, there may be a promotion. The $4.95 shipping was free, so that was great. So it was, it didn't increase my cost. And then also, because I use the Zenni points, and they have promotions and stuff like that. Sometimes you get a birthday coupon. You get you get points for them as you purchase stuff. You move up different levels. So I got a $10 coupon off of that. And in addition to that, they support. They give a discount to military personnel, and I believe first responders and things like that. But they give a discount to military personnel, and so I got a discount off of that of 10%, right? So minus the $10 discount, the points I used, I was at 120, so I got like $12 off, and it's for being a veteran, and so I really appreciate that, and so. I got these, the net price for these were about $111, I think I got these for. So I'm very satisfied with that. And viewers, hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Please let me know. I try to answer all questions. Please like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you good videos to help you get things done and be effective.